In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the Ultra is not charging when it is plugged in. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just make sure that the charger which you're using is the original Samsung charger. If you're using a third-party charger or a charger which is not supported by Samsung, this will not only cause charging problems, but this will also harm your phone. So make sure you use the original charger for your Samsung phone. And also ensure that the charger which you're using is not damaged. If it is damaged, just replace the charger with a new one. After that, just grab your phone, then check the charging port of your Samsung phone. If you find any dust or debris stuck in the charging port, just use a soft brush and clean the charging port. After you do that, then just plug in your Samsung phone into charge and check if your issue is fixed or not. Now, if your issue is fixed, then good, but if your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just open the quick settings, and from here just tap on the power icon. Now just tap and hold on the power off icon and select safe mode. Now just wait for a couple of seconds for your phone to boot into safe mode. Now once your phone boots into safe mode, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If you have noticed that the charging issue has been fixed after your phone entered into safe mode, then this indicates that the issue is being caused because of a third-party app which you have installed. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Apps. And from this app list, just look for any third-party app which you have installed recently. For an example, I will select this app. And after you select the app, then just tap on Uninstall and delete the app from your phone. Now just do that for any app which you have installed recently, and also if you find any duplicated apps on your phone or any app which is looking suspicious or which you don't remember installing, just select the app, then tap on Uninstall, just like that. And after you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the quick settings. Now just tap on the power icon and select Restart. Now by performing a restart on your Samsung phone, your phone will get out of safe mode. Now after you get out of safe mode, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on General Management. On this page, just scroll down a bit and tap on Reset, and on this page, just tap on Reset All Settings. Then tap on Reset Settings, then enter your lock screen PIN. Select Continue and tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your Samsung phone. You'll just reset all the settings of your phone to the default Samsung settings, including the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth settings. Now, if you've done all of that, but if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.